Many guys may want to see the tablet lamination effect of the Super S laminator. And now here is a feedback video from our dear customer. For lamination, this Super S only needs to work with one 2-liter vacuum pump, and it needs an air compressor for bubble removing. The operation is very easy, no need to adjust the pressure for lamination. And now the lamination is finished. Let's see the result. As we can see, there are only very few vacuum bubbles on the screen, which can be easily removed. And now let's see the result after bubble removing. All bubbles are clear. Thanks for the feedback.